Hello everyone, welcome to SM Automobile. Today we are going to review an electric bicycle. We have come to Rahul Electric Vehicle Showroom, which is located near Kottapet, Hyderabad. The complete address is mentioned in the description as well, so please do check out. It consists of a BLDC waterproof motor, and this is the controller, and this one is a removable battery. The motor and the controller has a warranty of 1 year, and the battery is easily removable, so we can easily carry it. It weighs approximately 3 to 4 kgs and it can be completely charged in 2.5 hours. The battery warranty is 2 years and the fixing is also easy, so there cannot be any loose connections when compared to plug connections of other batteries. It can be easily fixed to the cycle frame, and this one is a height adjustable seat. The loading capacity is 120 kgs. We can easily unlock the clip and we can adjust the height and lock the clip back accordingly. And it has a mud guard for the rear wheel. These are the normal brakes for the rear, and it consists of a disc brake in the front. It also consists of telescopic suspension, and the brakes consist of sensors, so whenever you apply the brake the motor gets cut off automatically. This is the LED headlight. You can use this cycle as a normal cycle with pedaling, which is good for health, and you can also run it with the help of motor and battery. Now you can see when we apply the front brakes, the rear wheel also slows down in a linear way because both the brakes get applied evenly. And now with the rear brake you can see there is a sudden stop. The cycle can travel up to 30 kilometers on a single charge and with a speed of 25 kmph. It does not consist of any gears, so you have less maintenance and it is easy to ride. The cost of this electric cycle is 26,999 rupees. It consists of tubeless tires, and in the display you can check the battery indication, which is indicated in the bars. And this one is the battery on and off switch, and this is the plug point for charging the battery, and this is the lock for removing the battery from the frame. So whenever you charge the battery you can switch off and then plug it for charging. It is as easy as we charge a mobile phone. This one is the charger, which also has a light indication, and it consists of a charging plug which can be connected to a 5 ampere socket and can be easily charged. And you can even remove the battery and charge it, or you can charge it whenever it is with the cycle also. It consists of different keys, one for the battery and another for the display. So you can unlock the battery in this way by first unlocking it with the key and then removing. Thanks for watching the complete review, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe.